What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, today's video is all about this abandoned AMC theater that we have right here. Me and Courtney that came back to tolerate me again. Why did you do that? Why did you come back and tolerate me again?
You're not too bad.
Okay.
Yes.
Supposedly. But anyway, she came back to tolerate me again. Of course, she's in a nice dress. Got a couple of dresses we're gonna do with this. Like I said, this abandoned theater here. Of course, if you want to work with her, all the stuff is gonna be in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. Quick BTS, just showing how we're gonna work this little scene right here. Are you ready to do this?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
I think I blinked.
I can't get the lighting right today. Did they even fire? Nope. All right, there we go. Golly, am I not getting my lighting right today? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, my balance is not good.
1, 2, 3.
Side.
It's the same thing.
Like that.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead and do that. Pick your little leg up. I love it.
Ah!
Yep.
Oh my God.
Get you another one bites the dust. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tilt your head up. There you go. Love it. Love it. All right. Come here. Give me a couple steps. Walk on ham, ham, ham. And say ham like that too.
When right now?
Yeah, just walk and go ham, ham, ham.
Okay. Okay, but my hair. Okay, hold on. I gotta make sure everything's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ham.
Yeah, just.
I always. What do you want me to do with my hands when I walk?
What do you do when you normally walk on your hands?
I don't know.
Don't you just kind of have them on
like
the side?
This?
Yes.
Okay.
I promise. Here we go.
Okay.
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that is cute. The wind's doing okay.
The wind stuff, right?
Yeah.
Hold this for me.
Say.
Just hold that until I get back. Because this wind is not playing around. This fucking wind is just fucking being really stupid right now. For informing me that I better not do it. Walk towards me. Then we're gonna come back, come forward.
Okay.
Come back, come forward. I know, so if you fall, do not blame me. Here you go. All right. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you want me to look back at you?
Yep. Look at me. Look back at me. Beautiful. Let me turn you around. Let me turn you around here. Go this way for me. Maybe I want to put some of this blue sky back here in front of you. Let me see. Coming in right there. All right, now you made it to the end of the video. Really hope you enjoyed that video we just got finished doing for you. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. Can't wait to do it again.
Yes, and of course, if you want to work with her, you like her style, all her stuff is going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. Once again, this video was just to go ahead and show you just how we just kind of worked this little location right here. It was a very, very quick shoot. 30 minutes really, but we took like at least 20-minute wind time breaks because it's completely really windy out here. So it was really only like pretty like a 30-minute really shoot that we did out here today. Other than that, like I said, I just use my wide angle reflector. Like I said, that's one of my favorite lenses to this point. I mean, not lenses, but one of my favorite light modifiers right now is my wide angle reflector. I love that thing. It's one of the things I love in shooting with. Now, Courtney, the question of the day is, are you going to come back?
Of course.
Maybe.
Of course I will.
Maybe. Okay, until the next video.
See you later.
See you later, man. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
All right, she's ready. Not really, because her hair is all windy. She keeps
The
complaining
wind
about
is
it.
not, yeah, but I'm ready.
All right, she's ready. Let's go. Into the next video, right?
Huh?
Until